Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sew a beautiful dress step by step. This tutorial is beginner friendly so you can easily follow along and create a clean and professional finish. We will start by cutting all the patterns properly. Cutting guide is provided with the pattern. Now take the front piece and begin by stitching the side darts. Fold the fabric along the dart markings with right side spacing and stitch neatly, tapering smoothly at the end. Press the darts well so they sit flat and give a nice shape to the garment. Move on to the back piece for the zipper attachment. Mark the center back and cut it according to the length of your zipper. After that, cut a strip that is about 2.5 inches wide and the same length as your zipper. Fold 1/4 of inch on both sides the bottom edge of the strip and press it neatly. Attach the strip to the back opening, keeping everything aligned. Once the strip is in place, fold it towards the inside and stitch the zipper neatly along the opening. Trim any extra fabric from the top if needed and finish it with a clean top stitch for a professional look. After completing the zipper, join the front and back pieces at the shoulders. Place them right sides together and stitch both shoulder seams evenly. Press the seams open or towards the back for a neat finish. Now we will prepare the collar. Cut two collar pieces. Take the piece that will be visible on the outside and attach interfacing or canvas to give it structure. Fold the bottom edge slightly and press it well. Then stitch along the top and side edges of the collar to secure its shape. Turn the collar to the right side and press it neatly so the edges look sharp. Before attaching the collar, make sure your shoulder seams are already stitched. Now place the collar on the neckline in an inverted position, meaning the right sides are facing each other. Start attaching it from the back neckline. First stitch the collar pieces that does not have interfacing. After that, fold the other piece with interfacing over it and top stitch from the outside to secure everything neatly. While stitching the collar, remember to leave about half an inch gap at the back for adding hooks as shown in the pattern. Next, take the sleeve. At the center of each sleeve, create side gathers to help it fit smoothly into the armhole. Then fold the sleeve hem according to the pattern instructions. Once done, attach the sleeves to the armholes, matching all the notches and seams properly and stitch them securely. After attaching the sleeves, stitch the side seams of the dress in one continuous line from the sleeve down to the hem. Make sure everything is aligned properly before stitching to avoid any unevenness. Finally, check the bottom of the dress and even it out if needed. Fold the hem neatly and stitch it to complete the finishing. Give the entire dress a final press to enhance its overall look. And your dress is now ready. You can see how clean and professional the finish looks. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more sewing tutorials. Stay tuned and happy sewing!
कबूतर जा 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 कबूतर जा 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 कबूतर जा 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 कबूतर जा